super high-res dash cam from KD Links. It's called the X3. Let's check it out. In the box includes the main X3 camera unit, user manual, mounting bracket, one long mini USB card charger, and another shorter USB cable. The camera has a 2.4-inch colored LCD screen with 4 nav buttons, microphone and speaker, and a micro SD card slot that supports up to 128 gigs. The camera is semi-small and discreet. It has an ultra-wide angle, and you want it as wide and high-res as possible, so you never miss any details, big or small. It records high resolution at 2688 by 1520 or about 2.7K. Super high res dash cam from KD Links.